How to fix Doordash unable to verify identity. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Doordash unable to verify identity issue. Now, the first thing you want to do is close the Doordash app, then head over to a web browser. Here you want to search Doordash support. Now tap on help.doordash.com. Here you will have different options such as customer support, Dasher support, merchant support. Now you want to tap on the Dasher support option if you are a Dasher. Now scroll down and here you have the option of Visit Help Center, chat with us in the Dasher app or call. Now you can either chat with the Dasher's customer support or you can also directly call them. Then you want to tell them in detail about the identity verification issue. Now, the customer support representative will ask you some details. All you want to do is provide all of the required details. Then the support team will help you fix the DoorDash unable to verify identity issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.